This week we are learning about apps and media through the 7 components. Reading, writing, listening, speaking, vocabulary, grammar, review.
Hi, welcome to week 11. It's Garry Mills here again with you. Today we're going to be talking about managing your phone. I'd say every one of you has got a mobile phone, if not more. We can fit so much information on this and it can get quite confusing and waste a lot of time. So I'm going to give some little tips about how to manage the information on your phone a little bit better. So one really effective way to manage the information is to put your apps into folders. I'm going to talk about 5 different folders today. You can have more or have different names, but these are 5 that I'm going to talk about. The first one would be social media. So if you create a folder and put all your social media apps in there, like Facebook, Viber, TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, you have the one folder there with all your social media. You're not searching for it, and also you can be more aware of how much social media you're using, because if you go into that folder, it means you're just using social media. The second folder is entertainment. So this might be a folder where you have things like all your games, your music, and maybe shopping sites. So this is where you go in and you buy things, listen to things, play things, and again you can be more aware of how much time you're spending on entertainment. The third folder is productivity. So this is the things that help us manage our day. So you might have your to-do list, you might have your calendar, the time, so you can set alarms and reminders, and notes, so you can take notes of different things, and the weather as well, so you can plan your day around the weather. So when you go into this folder, it's something that's going to help you manage your day. The fourth one is learning. So you could have, if you're into mindfulness or meditation, it'd be a good folder to have them in. You could also use YouTube for learning things, podcasts and Audible, which is your books. So again, you go into this folder when you want to actually learn something and you're actually spending time learning. And the fifth one is personal. So you might have your bank apps in there, your medical applications, your government, and payments. So any payments like PayPal and things like that you want to use. So having those folders helps you save time searching for apps, but it also helps you keep aware of how much time you're spending on each thing. So a few tips there for you. I hope they help you. Have a great day.
Hello, I'm James and you are?
Madeline
and?
Pema,
nice to meet you. Hello, I'm James and you are?
Flinders,
nice to meet you, man. So my question today is, how many hours do you spend on your phone each day? Just a rough guess.
Probably like 3 hours.
3 hours? What about you?
3 hours.
3 hours? Can you guys confirm that? Is that all right?
4 hours.
4 hours?
So an hour off.
Are you surprised?
No, 5.5.
5 hours?
It went up.
So 5 hours and?
4 hours.
4 hours. Are you guys surprised? No?
Not really.
Not really?
Would have been more.
What do you reckon you spend most of your time on? Like?
Instagram. Probably like Instagram and Facebook.
Okay, solid. What about you?
Instagram.
That's the way. Sweet, thank you so much.
Okay.
So our question today is, how many hours do you spend on your phone a day?
Many.
Estimate, man.
Sometimes probably, let's say 2 hours.
Oh, that's not that many. 2 hours
This
is not too bad, man. I'm like 10 hours.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just on that YouTube grind, you know?
Yeah.
But
does audiobooks count?
yes, they do.
Okay, if I'm driving the car, does it still count?
That still counts?
Yeah, maybe more like 4 hours then.
4 hours?
I try to get off YouTube. I feel like when you're staring at it, that's when your energy gets drained. But if you're listening, it seems to be fine.
So it's just in the back, like it's all good.
Yeah,
it's calming.
It's calming,
Yeah,
exactly.
that's
It's
it.
informative without the pain.
Perfect answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All
Have a good one, Flinders.
You too.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for next week's lesson.